I wonder what's inside. Oh my! What's a lovely little car? Alright, from today I name this child Kaguya.
Wrong! My name is King Trump Kaguya, maybe that. So, this is ours. Truly magnificent. Did you take me out of the bamboo? I appreciate it. I came from the moon.
You just popped up and you already did the extra.
By the way, what are you doing here?
Oh, I cut bamboo and sell it for a living.
Alright, from today, I shall enrich you. You will no longer have to cut bamboo.
Oh, how do you mean?
No need to hesitate. If this King Trump Kaguya.
I see. I never imagined that after meeting this Kaguya.
Wrong! It's King Trump Kaguya.
Oh, sorry. After meeting this King Trump Kaguya, my life will become a crazy roller coaster.
Hey, Okina, bring me a drink!
Yes, come here, Laya.
Thanks. Drink. No, you're wrong. This is Coke. Never mind. Anyway, Okina, how is the company's sales revenue looking?
It's fantastic. We're rolling money. We've never made this much before.
Excellent. As I expected, my international trade business is cutting edge. This earth is magnificent. The sheer amount of valuable resources is enormous. Unlike other planets, what a waste, the moon had nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I see. Oh, by the way, this newspaper article, The New Park Time, is reporting on your healthcare from drinking too much coffee.
That's impossible. Fake news.
If that's so, I make sure your next drink is Diet Coke then. Also, more trading partners from other planets have arrived. I'll report the trade details.
Let's see it.
I am Mom. Next up is Mercury.
It can be any worse than Jupiter pushing 90% tree on me. They want some immigrants to Earth. They're seeking permission. You gotta be joking.
Oh, why? Immigration should be fine.
Don't you know about all illegal immigrants coming from Mercury? That's right. We will build a wall between Mercury and Earth. I won't let them come to Earth anymore. Tell them, do not come to Earth.
Okay, do not come to us. Yes, Mom. I relayed that message.
Hey, Okina, what's wrong?
Greetings, Princess Kaguya.
Wrong, my name is King Trump Kaguya.
My apologies, King Trump Kaguya. I'm the lunar messenger. I have come to retrieve you. It is your destiny to return to the moon. Come, let us return.
What did you say? My company is still developing. I can't leave now. The original Princess Kaguya might be go at the moon, but I'm different. Tell your boss, anyone who makes me the decision to return to the moon is an unusable personnel. You're fired!
But, King Trump Kaguya, your various contributions are leading to world peace. You might even receive the Nobel Peace Prize.
The Nobel Peace